可以照这个角度照一个长的。Hello, here is the roasting and cooling all-in-one machine. And at the beginning, you can see this is the material feeding hob. The feeding hob here. And here is the set hole. You will see, observe the status of the raw materials. There are three main parts for this machine. The first part is for heating, the first stage heating. You can set the, for example, if you roast the peanuts, you can set the roasting temperature 170 degrees. And for the second part, we make the second roasting, the temperature is 150 degrees. For the third part, the last part, we set it as the cooling part. After cooling, we get the final materials from this end. And here is the discharging hole. And you can see, we can also see the legs of the machine legs, the movable wheels. This wheels is for us easy to remove the machine when move the position. Now you can see there are many fans on the top. The fans is for cooling and heat recycling. Now we can see how to operate the machine. You can see the panel, the operate panel. This is the, here are the temperature meter. This is the frequency converter. You can adjust the working speed of the machine through adjust the frequency converter by this. And you can see these buttons. First, we need to, after we contact the power, we need to first press the start, and then start the heating, the first part, heating second part, and the fan. You can see the fan, the heat, the air flow will be recycled after through these fans. Fan 1, 2, 3, 4. Start and stop for each fan, and this fan is for control the cooling part. Start and stop. You can see this red button. This is the emergency button. If you have an emergency situation, you can press this button, and the machine will be stopped at once. Okay, you can also see the material of the machine. It is made with the SUS 304. Yeah, you can. Where is the control panel? You can see this is the electric cabinet on the top. We can also customize it, set it according to your needs. Do you want to how to clean the widget, the slacks? There are some boxes at the bottom. We can take them out and then clean the widget.
燃烧器是吧？
The red part is the burner. The brand of the burner you can see below. It is one famous brand. The burner to supply the heat for the roasting machine. 1, 2. We install 2 burners in total. Okay.